I'm always excited for a Ninja new release. Hi, I'm Nadine, and today I want to unbox with you the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Convection Oven Toaster combination. Show you all the details for it, and then kind of go through with you. Let's both get first impression together. Of course, tomorrow I will be making some wings and some other foods with it to see how it works and how well it is. The box, when you get it, is quite large. It's very finely packed in there. The oven itself is 14 inches in height, 15 inches in length, and 11 inches in depth. It comes with a convection oven itself. It's going to come with a sheet pan, a 5-quart fry basket, a wire rack, a broil rack, and a removable crumb tray. The crumb tray is where you see that little cardboard box right down there. And for the sheet pan and the broil rack, what you can do is actually put them inside each other. That way, when you are cooking stuff, it gets crispier that way. The French doors are going to open together and close together one-handed. And here are the accessories right in there. This is the tray, and these are the 2 wire racks that you have right there, as well as the 5-quart basket to put in there for frying and things like that. It has 4 legs at the bottom so that it does stand up high for the best crispy results in there. And this is probably one of my favorite parts. It does have a handbook with it, and in that handbook there is a bunch of recipes that you guys can check out and get ideas so you know what's for dinner that night. It's quite hefty with all kind of information for you to be able to check out and go into the table of contents, follow the recipes, make some delicious yum yums. And here we go with the convection oven set up right on the counter where it's going to sit, and we will be using it. Usually I use my air fryer on a daily basis, so I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of that one. We're going to have to go ahead and turn it on and start going through what actually it can do in there. So when you turn it on, you find a bunch of options for whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, and you preheat or reheat. You have the temperature button, you have the time or slices you're going to do, the mode, and then a light on there. Once you press that button, that little turning nozzle on the side is how you're going to control each one of them. So once you press the mode, it's going to change it by you just turning the nozzle on the side to wherever you need it to be. On the side of the Ninja Air Convection Oven, you also have some vents so that it's airing out. The cord does have the 3 prongs on it, so you need a 3-prong plug-in over there. And it has 2 legs on the back so that when it's hitting against the wall, there is still little room for the air to go through and ventilate also from the back. You can turn on the light. It does have a light on there, and see what it looks inside. You can put the basket right on those drawers right over there. Take out the basket. You have the tray on the bottom. You have something you can put right on it, the rack. So this is very nicely done. I think this is going to be a beautiful machine, and it's going to last for years. We'll be continuing tomorrow with this with some cooking series with this while we test it and tell you all about it. This machine also preheats in 90 seconds and goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No rotating required when cooking, and can't wait to start testing it. So go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment.